Everybody, I'm Dr. John Gomez. I am your professor for Psychology 3325 Research Methods online here at Our Lady of the Lake University. I am a full-time tenured professor, and I've been teaching here at OLU since 2000, so over 20 years. I have a PhD, and I'm a clinical psychologist by training, which means I'm an expert in both clinical work with patients and mental health research. That's why I'm teaching research methods. This is one of my favorite classes to teach because it's all about critical thinking about the information, facts, scientific discoveries as they're presented to us in our professional lives, our daily lives. Psychology is a science, right? And so we must think about how psychological science is done, how the experimental psychologists think, the language they use, so that we can be healthy skeptics about information presented to us. When I was in college as a psychology major, this class taught me how to think and analyze facts and findings that I was reading about in my courses. Learning about research specifically made me want to pursue a PhD in psychology to become an expert in both the clinical world, as a helping profession, and in the research world that produces all of the knowledge that we actually then go and use in the clinic. So to everyone, I say welcome. I'm really glad you're here. Let's talk about what to expect in this class. First thing, this course is framed around topics called modules, like chapters in a book. They're actually different folders inside of Blackboard Ultra, each folder with different topics. We cover one module, that is one topic area, starting on Mondays, and then we end on Sunday nights, deadlines on Sunday nights. Completion of each of these modules is key to your success in this course. You will need to go through each module, each folder, and complete everything inside of it. Within each, you'll find learning materials like including lecture notes, PowerPoint slides, videos, a study guide for a short quiz, and then the actual scored quiz itself. Your assignment to complete for each module will be a scored quiz, and sometimes there's a written assignment that goes along with that. Please watch the semester schedule carefully. The syllabus is in Blackboard. Download a copy for your reference. Again, we're going to cover one module starting on Monday mornings with deadlines on Sundays. I'll also be sending you reminders by email each week starting on Monday mornings that the module is open and available for you to get to work. So be sure to check your email regularly in this semester. Second thing, please do take responsibility to structure the time that you spend on this class each week. Staying up to date, staying on schedule, and not procrastinating is vitally important to your success in this class. Remember that an online course requires just as much time as a classroom-based course where you would spend 3 hours in actual class, plus class time outside reading, studying, doing assignments, preparing for tests. An online course requires just as much time as a classroom-based course. Lastly, and the final thing, third and final thing, the content of this class has two components. We will learn the nuts and bolts of how research is conducted in psychology and related fields, related science fields. Second thing, we will apply this knowledge immediately as you make decisions about how to conduct a research study of your own design to investigate a research question that you choose. These decisions will be written up in a final paper, a big formal fancy paper at the end of the semester called a research proposal. That is your major written assignment due at the end of the semester. So to everybody, I say welcome. I'm glad you're here. If you ever have questions of any kind, please contact me by email, by phone. You can text me. Look at the syllabus. There's a phone number that we can text with. My email address, my contact information is right at the top of the syllabus. I have regular office hours in person, by phone, remotely, online if you wish. So I'm available for questions or any kind of support that you need to succeed in this online class. I look forward to helping each of you. So let's get started.